Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change cab bushings on a 2012 F250. Start by disconnecting the battery and supporting the cab with proper jack stands or a cab support brace to prevent movement. Remove trim and accessories that block access to the mounts and label wiring and hoses for reinstallation. Use penetrating oil on bolts to ease removal and keep fasteners organized for a smooth reassembly process. Begin by loosening the mount bolts while the cab is fully supported to avoid stress on wiring and hoses. Carefully separate the cab from the frame mounts and remove the old bushings and any retaining hardware. Clean mounting surfaces thoroughly and compare new bushings to the old ones for correct fitment. Keep bolts and hardware labeled and store components in order to make reinstallation straightforward and efficient. Install new bushings by pressing them in squarely using a press or a socket that matches the bushing outer diameter. Reassemble mounts with anti-seize on bolt threads and torque to the specified values to avoid overloading the bushing. Reconnect any wiring and hoses you labeled earlier, lower the cab support, and perform a careful test drive to check for proper alignment and noise. Retorque bolts after the initial drive if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.